This is a fit for a 2015 through 2020 and possibly beyond Volkswagen GTI 5-door. We've outfitted this vehicle with the Thule EVO Clamp WingBar Evo base roof rack system. The system is using the WingBar Evo load bars in black, 53 inches in length, the EVO Clamp foot pack, and the vehicle-specific EVO Clamp fitting kit, which includes the contoured rubber bases and the rubberized metal door frame brackets. This is part number 5010. The bars are in a predetermined fixed location, 28 inches from front to rear, center to center. Maximum weight carrying capacity is 130 pounds, evenly distributed. There is no interference with the full operation of the sunroof. This product and the full line of Thule products are available at rackoutfitters.com. Please see the link in our video description for complete details, our pricing, and our promotions.